Hello, this is Evangelist Dr. Robert L. McKim Sr. And also the President and Founder of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol. Coming to you with an update. I know I should have came to you sooner, but with yesterday being Memorial Day, I had other things to do. So let me get right down to it. It was confirmed by the National Weather Service that this mobile home, and I guess there was other mobile homes damaged as well, besides the one that was right beside it. There's other ones that had debris, limbs actually stuck into their mobile home walls, and other damage as well. So it was confirmed an EF1 tornado by the National Weather Service. You can go either onto the U.S. National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page to find that information. Also, currently as I'm making this video, we are having a thunderstorm. The counties to the south of me are under tornado watch. There's even a tornado warning. Looks like possibly down around McConnellsville area. But currently the radar shows this system that was in Indiana that was producing tornadoes is now upon us. It started, I don't know, see lightning or not from my front window. So right now we're having a thunderstorm. It started right at midnight. You know, all thunderstorms can be severe. All thunderstorms can produce a tornado if the conditions are right. Paul Begley was also in an area where there was a tornado. He lives in Indiana. Yeah, he lives in Lafayette, Indiana. Then he posted on his Facebook page, massive storm, hail hits him there in Indiana. Of course, if you will be watching the National Weather Service, there were 3 or 4 tornadoes in Indiana. Well, I don't want to be on here too long. God bless you. Be safe. Listen to the watches and warnings.